What if I told you that you could fly first class, stay in 5-star hotels, and get VIP airport lounge access, all without spending thousands of dollars? Sounds impossible, right? The rich don't actually pay for luxury travel, because they know how to hack the system. They use credit cards strategically to earn insane rewards and travel perks, making their dream vacations practically free. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it too. This is the ultimate credit card hacking strategy that airlines and banks don't want you to know. By the end of this video, you'll know how to unlock thousands of dollars in free travel perks, even if you're not rich. So, grab a notepad, because I'm about to break down the exact steps to turn your everyday spending into business class flights and luxury hotels, without spending a fortune. Imagine sipping champagne in a luxurious first-class cabin, or relaxing in a 5-star hotel suite, all for free. It's not just a dream, it's a reality that you can achieve with the right strategies. Stay tuned, because we're about to dive into the secrets of luxury travel hacking. First things first, how do credit card rewards actually work? It's really simple. Every time you swipe your card, you're leaving money on the table if you're not earning points. Think about it. You're spending money anyway. Might as well get rewarded for it, right? And the best part is you don't need to be rich to take advantage of this. Luxury credit cards like Chase Sapphire Reserve, Amex Platinum, and Capital One Venture X give massive sign-up bonuses, sometimes worth over 100,000 points. That's like free money, people. These points alone can translate to thousands of dollars in travel. But the real hack is knowing how to maximize your spending categories to earn even more points. For example, use your cards strategically for things you already buy. Dining and travel? Boom! Earn 3 to 5 times points per dollar. Grocery and gas? Easy. Use the right card to get 4 to 6 times points. And don't forget about those special categories like online shopping or entertainment. Some cards offer bonus points for these purchases too. Always check your card's benefits to make sure you're maximizing your rewards. With a little planning, you can turn everyday spending into amazing travel experiences. So start swiping smartly and watch those points add up. Before you know it, you'll be flying business class for free. Happy travels. Here's where the real magic happens. Once you've built up a stash of points, you don't just use them on any flight, you need to transfer them to airline partners. American Express, Chase, and Capital One let you transfer your points directly to airlines like Emirates, Qatar Airways, Singapore Airlines, United, and Delta, all for free. And here's the crazy part, by doing this, you unlock business class flights for the price of an economy ticket. With points, you can get it for just 60,000 points, which is worth around $600 in spending. Imagine flying in luxury, sipping champagne, and reclining in a spacious seat, all for a fraction of the cost. The key is to be strategic with your points and know the best transfer partners. So start collecting those points and get ready to fly business class for free. And listen, flights are just the beginning. You can also stay in luxury hotels for free using credit card perks. We're talking about those incredible hotels you see on Instagram, with infinity pools, private balconies, and room service that would make a king jealous. Cards like Amex Platinum, Marriott Bonvoy, and Hilton Aspire give you free 5-star hotel nights, VIP upgrades, complimentary breakfast, and even elite status. That means late checkout, free spa access, room upgrades, the works. Imagine walking into a $1,000 per night hotel suite without paying a dime. That's the power of luxury travel hacking. It's about experiencing the world in a way you never thought possible. Imagine waking up in a luxurious hotel room with a view of the Eiffel Tower, or enjoying a complimentary breakfast overlooking the beaches of Bali. And it doesn't stop there. With the right strategies, you can unlock even more perks and experiences. From welcome drinks to exclusive lounge access, the possibilities are endless. So, start planning your next adventure and make the most of these incredible opportunities. Because luxury travel is not just a dream, it's a reality you can achieve. But here's the thing. The real pros don't just get free flights and hotels, they travel like VIPs. Imagine this. You waltz past the long airport security lines with TSA pre-check, breeze through immigration with global entry, and relax in style in luxurious airport lounges. That's right, we're talking about free gourmet meals, showers, and private workspaces while everyone else is crammed in the terminal. And when it's time to rent a car, forget that rusty old economy car. You'll be driving a sleek BMW or a spacious Mercedes for the same price, thanks to your credit card perks. Those pesky foreign transaction fees and the anxiety of unexpected travel mishaps? Gone. Most luxury credit cards reimburse you for travel expenses like global entry and TSA pre-check, airline fees and baggage costs, and even in-flight food and Wi-Fi. These perks alone can save you thousands of dollars every year. So why settle for less when you can travel like a VIP? Maximize your travel perks and avoid fees to unlock the ultimate travel experience. Now I know what you're thinking, won't this hurt my credit score? Absolutely not. In fact, if you do this correctly, it will actually boost your credit score. Here's the secret. Always pay off your balance in full every single month, no exceptions. That way, you avoid interest charges and build a solid credit history. Never close your oldest cards. This keeps your credit history long and shows lenders you're responsible. And finally, keep your credit utilization under 10%. This strategy lets you cycle through multiple sign-up bonuses, stacking tens of thousands of points without debt. And the results? You're looking at $10,000 or more in free luxury travel per year, a perfect 800+ credit score, and VIP treatment everywhere you go. Imagine booking first-class flights and 5-star hotels without spending a dime. All it takes is a smart strategy and disciplined spending. So start today and transform your travel experience. The sky's the limit when you master the credit card game. Let me ask you this. Would you rather pay $5,000 for a business-class flight or use points and get it for free? Would you rather book a 2-star motel or stay in a 5-star resort without spending a dime? Exactly. This credit card hacking system is the ultimate financial cheat code that almost no one takes advantage of. And right now, you have the chance to start using it before the airlines and banks change the rules. So take action today. Comment below, what's your dream travel destination like, and subscribe if you want more insider finance hacks. Share this video with someone who needs to see this. #luxury travel #credit card hacks #travel for free #frequent flyer miles Amex Platinum Chase Sapphire business class flights travel hacking credit card points personal finance tips. Start your luxury travel journey today.